Why do Filipino YouTubers specify Tagalog in their video titles when they can write the title in Tagalog? The title in Tagalog. I don't know. This is a question for Bernie and Max.
So yes, being Filipino, I think I'm in a good position to answer this. Number one, this is for SEO. So it ranks up high. Because if you put your title in Filipino, the rank is gonna be just limited to content or limited to the Philippines. But you're on YouTube, you want to reach global audience, and Filipinos are everywhere. So you want to make sure that the content that you're sharing could be viewed by people who would be interested in watching it. And these are maybe Filipinos across the globe, or because it's spoken in Filipino. So that's the exact same reason. Why don't they use English? Because it connects more to their audience. So it's like drawing in the audience by using SEO, using tools to make sure that you get a lot of views and then giving out what they wanted.
Easy answer. Filipinos speak English. And also a simple answer. Filipinos are everywhere in the world for that reason. Like we kind of pride ourselves on being able to speak English pretty well, accent or not. At least we know English. English is taught in schools, depending on the school. But I think it's more to also cater to foreigners, like non-Filipinos that are curious about the Philippines, like about the culture or like an everyday life kind of thing, or somebody's just doing something nice. I have seen like some Filipino YouTubers that don't really care and then just title everything in Tagalog, knowing that their main audience is all in the Philippines anyway. And there are some Filipino YouTubers that will title their videos in English, and then some of them will specify that they're going to be speaking in Tagalog either in the title or in the description if their channel's kind of new and they get more and more new subscribers or viewers that are not from the Philippines. And it's just a way to make their videos a little bit more accessible to a wider audience, really. And there's plenty of like actual Filipino YouTubers, not just like foreign YouTubers that ended up living in the Philippines. It's because my parents consume a lot of Filipino YouTuber content, and they do tend to title their videos in English and speak a mix of English and Tagalog or whatever language or dialect they do speak, with or without subtitles sometimes. It's like the Wild West over there. But anyway, it's pretty simple. It's just to make it a little bit more accessible to everyone, to non-Tagalog speakers, to Tagalog speakers, just to give them a heads up that I'm going to be speaking Tagalog and maybe there will be subtitles, but that's it. It's just accessibility, I think. Also as a disclaimer kind of thing, if someone says, oh, there's this thing in the Philippines and blah blah blah, and let's say someone who doesn't speak English, or someone doesn't speak Tagalog, only speaks English or some other language, clicks on it expecting the video to be in English because the title is in English, and then they get hit with Tagalog, they're going to click off because they don't understand it. So they can just, if they do specify that the video is going to be in Tagalog or partially in Tagalog, then either the non-Tagalog speaker could click away or try to get some context with the teeny tiny bit of English getting thrown in there, because that's how modern Filipinos speak now anyway, Taglish. But accessibility. Oh, short answer.